Ethereum 2.0 presumably dead. So well, kinda. So live on CoinMarketCap blog, Alexandria, market musings article by Concepting. It's your boy here, guys, Akahilz, live on Akahilz too. We're doing article reviews on this article. So guys, you want to click on the red subscribe button. This is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, or you're returning viewer. You want to click on the red subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop updates on crypto news, airdrop news, and loads of other perks in the crypto space, as well as other money making tutorials. Also, you feel free to like our videos, click on the share button, and also drop your comments. I'll get back to you and support you if you have any inquiries. So, guys, back to news. It says table of contents, why the change. So developers and users alike have been waiting very patiently for Ethereum 2.0 to be complete, exasperated by congestion on the blockchain that has led to eye-watering high gas fees. So the move to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism has been taking a lot longer than expected, to not least because it is a huge technical undertaking. A fleeting real-world comparison would be completely rebuilding your house while you continue to live in it. With no end in sight to delays, we've had a rather unexpected update from the Ethereum Foundation. The term Ethereum 2.0 is now being retired once and for all. But this doesn't mean that the ongoing work to scale the network is being abandoned. It simply means that from now on, Ethereum 1.0 is being referred to as the execution layer. The while Ethereum 2.0 has been rebranded as the consensus layer. So the blog's post authors went on to stress that the roadmap remains unaffected, and those involved in staking or the operation of validator nodes don't need to take any action. So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. Yeah, you can also listen to it directly on SoundCloud or your browser. Yeah, it's very informative on crypto news and more too. So, why the change? It's clear that Ethereum's founders' decisions has been motivated by a number of external factors. Looking at this article, it says as work began on Beacon chain, it became clear that the phased Ethereum 2.0 roadmap would take several years to deliver fully. The developers argued that the use of phrase Ethereum 2.0 creates a broken mental model for new users, explaining they intuitively think that ETH1 comes first and ETH2 comes after, or that ETH ceases to exist once ETH2 exists. So neither of this is true. By removing ETH2 terminology, we save all future users from navigating this confusing mental model. So the blog post went on to explain that ETH 2.0 has actually become an inaccurate representation of Ethereum's roadmap, adding, unfortunately, malicious actors have attempted to use the ETH2 misnomer to scam users by telling them to swap their ETH for ETH2 tokens, or that they must somehow migrate their ETH before the ETH2 upgrade. So we hope this updated terminology will bring clarity to eliminate this scam vector and help make the ecosystem safer. All of these ultimately means that Ethereum's proof of work blockchain will merge with the shiny new proof of stake network at some point in the future. And at the moment, this milestone is due to be completed in 2022. Shared chains which aim to enhance the blockchain's capacity as subsequently scheduled to arrive in 2023. So overall, it's hoped these improvements will future-proof the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring that it can handle thousands of transactions per second, all while making transactions faster and cheaper to use. The foundation also expects the upgrade to ramp up security and dramatically reduce the levels of computing power and also energy currently used, so making the project more sustainable and better for the environment. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog. You should buy key. Stay tuned for more. And don't forget to click on the red subscribe button beneath this video to support us. And also, you also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. You buy key. Stay tuned for more. Let us know what you feel about the ETH 2.0. For us, eventually, we can't wait for it to be can't wait for this innovation or this creativity or this new gas fees to be reduced so that users can trade more beneficially or trade more cheap at a cheaper rate. Peace out, guys. One love. Shubai Keys.